It's a huge challenge performing Beethoven anyway, but to perform all 9 of his symphonies is immense. It's immense. I mean, the symphony didn't begin with Beethoven, but it grew into such an important organism and such an incredibly important genre thanks to Beethoven, because each of the 9 symphonies occupies a different moment in history and a different style, and you can feel his mind is working in a different space every time he goes from one symphony to another. The work that I do with the Orchestre Révolutionnaire Romantique is very special anyway. I mean, we've been in existence since 1989, so this is already a big anniversary, and next year will be a new step in our evolution. It's an orchestra that is growing all the time. It's made up of so many different nationalities, so many different temperaments, so many different characters, and their expertise and skill is amazing, but so is their passion for music making. And they all play on period instruments of Beethoven's time, and that gives it an incredibly fresh and immediate energy. They have a good tradition of singing, so is the Monteverdi Choir, and it'll be interesting to see how the synergy works between the two. The Palau de la Música in Barcelona is one of my very, very favorite concert halls in the world. I mean, I've been here so many times. I even recorded Beethoven's 5th Symphony here back in the 1990s. And the atmosphere is extraordinary. The contact with the audience is wonderful. I love Catalan audiences. They're so appreciative. And I think it's the perfect place to start our whole Beethoven cycle in 2020. I've had plenty of challenges. Listen, one of the biggest challenges I ever had here was in 1991 on Mozart's anniversary, when we did the Mozart C minor Mass and the Requiem live, streamed across Europe in television, and we were making a DVD for Philips. It was one of the most challenging things I've ever done. Barcelona? It doesn't need me to recommend Barcelona. It's one of the great cities of the world. I love it every time I come here. I love the architecture, I love the food, I love the people, I love the concert halls. It's great.